3-mark question. So this 3-marker, on solving a quadratic equation, we're asked to solve x squared plus 5x minus 24 equals 0. So solving a quadratic, there are 3 different methods: factorizing the quadratic formula or completing the square. We tried to factorize first, so I'm going to open up here a pair of double brackets. So I'm going to open up here 2 brackets. I'm going to make it equal to 0. To make x squared, we put x and x first. Then I want 2 numbers that add to make positive 5, so plus 5, and the same 2 numbers that multiply to make minus 24. So looking for the factors of 24, looking for minus 24. So factor of 24 here is normal. We're going to have 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. So to make positive 5, I'm going to have positive 8 and minus 3 to make minus 24 or negative 24. So we're going to have x plus 8 and x minus 3. Again, the order doesn't matter here. Now what next? Well, either the first bracket equals 0 or the second bracket equals 0. So either x plus 8 must equal 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So for the first equation, we're going to have x is equal to minus 8, and for the second equation, we're going to have x is equal to 3. So your 2 solutions will be, so I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides. We have x equals minus 8 or negative 8. So x equals minus 8, or x is equal to positive 3 or plus 3 or just 3. So x equals minus 8 or x equals 3. They are your 2 solutions to the quadratic equation of x squared plus 5x minus 24 is equal to 0. And that's solving by factorizing. So whenever you have a quadratic, you usually want a double bracket, so 2 brackets. You put the letter and letter, so x and x in this case, 2 numbers that add to make the middle term, so the coefficient of x, and the same 2 numbers that multiply to make the constant on the end, so the number on the end. So you're always looking for the factor or factors of the number at the end. Now it can get more complex when the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1, but I'm going to focus on another video lesson for that. This was just focusing out on factorizing quadratics for higher tier and foundation tier students. But don't worry, if you are higher, I'll do a separate video what happens if you've got like a number like 2 at the front. It makes it slightly more tricky. It's still a very similar process, but yeah, there's just a few more steps to get to that stage.